In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design chip components in Figma using material design principles. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started with Figma, these steps will guide you seamlessly through creating chip components that align perfectly with material design aesthetics. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Figma, the go-to collaborative design tool renowned for its efficiency and user-friendly interface. If you haven't already, head over to the Figma website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. For those who might not have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is straightforward and quick. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. Here, you'll find various options and projects you've been working on. There's a menu on the left side where you'll see a button labeled Design. Go ahead and click on Design. This will take you to the workspace where all the magic happens. Next, we're going to access the Action tab. You'll see an Action button in your design interface. Clicking on this will enable you to perform more specific operations and access different design tools and extensions. Now, we want to tailor our design with material design principles, which is a popular design language developed by Google. In the Action search bar, type Material Design. This will help refine and focus your search, bringing up relevant materials and resources. As you scroll through the search results, look for material design icons. Figma incorporates a wide library of icons, which is extremely handy for creating cohesive and visually appealing designs. Once you spot material design icons, click on it to access a variety of icons that you can incorporate into your chip component design. With the appropriate icons at your disposal, it's time to implement them. You will see a Run button or option that you can click to integrate these icons into your design project. Clicking Run will load these icons into your workspace, allowing you to effortlessly drag and drop them as you see fit, adhering to your design objectives. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to designing chip components in Figma. By following these steps, you're now equipped to create designs that not only follow material design guidelines but also stand out with a professional finish. Play around with the tools, experiment with different styles, and don't be afraid to explore all that Figma offers. Thanks for watching, and happy design.